to my channel. I am doing a live get ready with me, which I have not done for ages. So I'm going to use this here. This is the Rimmel Fix and Protect. It's got SPF 25 in it, which is why I'm using it today basically. So I'm going to go in with the Sleek Rio Rio, which on the bright side is an affordable palette for all of you out there. And that is just like, you know, what it's looking like inside. Look at that green. I don't think I've even used that green ever. But we've got a blue, although it looks quite dark, although it's still blue, isn't it? And we've got a red. I think that's more pinky. I think I will probably use that red. So I'm probably going to use this red because it's more red and that's a bit pinky red. And then we've got the white, which is really metallic-y. I might have to pop into something else to get a better white, but yeah. Yay! So we're started. So, how are you all doing? So I have just primed my face and yeah, so I'm gonna use this today. This is the IdleGirl Pro Coverage HD Definition. What shade are we in here? This is in the shade Fair. I did do a video that was like a comparison between, not a comparison, but like the two lightest shades. And I can't remember, but by putting them next to each other, I think this is the lightest one, or it worked out as the lightest one. I'm going to use a brush, which I don't normally do, but I thought, you know what, I'm just going to be a bit different and I'm going to use a brush, so, you know, that's what we're doing. I feel like that's an alright colour. That is probably going to be okay. It's not too much darker. Obviously, like, it is summer and I am in the sun quite a bit as well, and I'd like to think I've got a bit of a tan going on, you know what I mean, but still really pale. If you enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up, because that would help out a lot. If you want to see more of these videos, I'm totally up for doing it. I really am. I prefer, when I'm doing my makeup, I do prefer to do it live with you guys where we can chat. It's just so much more fun, rather than when I do separate, like, actual film it. I'm still going to be doing Makeup Mondays and Friday night makeups, but I could even do a couple of live, like, get ready with me videos alongside the live nail videos. So probably we're going to end up having 2 videos every day, like a live and then a regular every day. That would be insane. Not every day, but every, like, week, like Monday to Friday. So that is the foundation. It's a pretty good foundation, to be fair. My skin probably isn't the best right now, and it's looking like you can see that I got foundation on. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm going to do yeah, so I do normally use sponges nowadays. If anybody's here from my channel from like 3 years ago when I first started, or when I was first getting into it, do you remember how obsessed I was with makeup brushes? I became obsessed with makeup brushes. By the way, just, you know, might as well let you know, this is what I'm using on my face. You can see, like, this isn't the lightest shade for me. It's the lightest shade, but it's like, I don't find it to be that light. But when it's on a darker foundation, obviously it does look quite light, and that's how I know when I've got a dark foundation on, because that looks lighter. But hopefully it blends in and I can apply some bronzer. See, my chest is quite tanned, but my neck's really white. I am going to just pop a little bit of this. This is the Maybelline Anti-Age, the Eraser Eye. Oh, let's not put that there. And I do like to pop a bit of this under my eye. I don't know if you can see, but I just think it's like... light brings it out a bit. It does work. Probably should have put that on first, actually, now I think about it, before the concealer, but I just think it's a bit brightening. And this is the shade Brightener as well, so it's supposed to be brightening. I wanted to bake. I wanted to do a bit of baking, and I've got this Avon, like really light, really white powder. I just thought to myself, it's not going to stop the creasing. Like, I just have these lines are so... look at that. It's just so deep. Just try and flatten out those lines while I... yeah, it's not going to happen. Oh, actually, just want to try filling them in a bit. That'll do, because I'm going to use a proper like a proper powder over the rest. I'm going to use this because I'm trying to use this up. This is the Santi Mineral Compact Powder. It's pretty decent, to be fair. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze thing. Blush, I'm going to use this, which Mercedes got me in my swap last year. This is the Berry Connection, and I'm going to use this for blush. And I know I've already contoured, but maybe I might use that for my nose contour. Ugh, these are so pretty, by the way. These are the Makeup Revolution ones that are just like so sleek and beautiful. So I'm gonna apply the highlight. Haven't used this for a really long time. Oh yeah. Oh, can we see? Bit of highlight. Right. Oh, I like that highlight. Damn. Yes. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. This could go so wrong. White, red, white, and blue. So let's take the white, like here. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do the red just here. I can't really explain it, like I'll just show you guys what I'm doing. I like to just do the colour though, so like I like to do both eyes with this. So if I blend that. So basically I'm taking it here and blending it. And ideally I need to blend it this way. So the blue I'm just going to take like here. Oh, it's bluer than I thought it was going to be. Awesome. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, then you will know that like I just go for it with makeup. I might take it. Don't worry, we're going to be doing some blending. I'm just going to try and get the main like outline now. I need to try and get the next one the same. This is the hardest bit. And then we're going to go in with a white, and I'm not sure if I'm going to need a better white. There is one in the Kat Von D palette, I think, that I might need to use instead of this one, but we'll try it. I mean, it is working, kind of. Again, I don't want to blend it and make it pink. Like, I need it to stay as white as I can. I'm gonna go in with the red under the eye then. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to say in short. I'm just taking the white under the brow because it looked a bit lonely under there. Oh, that's better. Look how much better that brow looks than that one. My eyes keep going blurry. This, by the way, is the Avon. I did a Makeup Monday on this. It's the Avon True Colour Glimmer Sticks brow pencil, and it's pretty darn good. It's like basically just what I'm using, all like it's basically my brow pencil that I use. And so this is the New Skin one. I'm just gonna have really clumpy lashes, but do you know what? I'm not putting eyelashes on. Lipsticks. And it's a matte one. Wow, and it's really red. Oh my god, I love this lipstick. I look like a drag queen, not gonna lie. Why have I not used this lipstick before? This is the shade Head Turner. And it's one of the liquid lip lacquers, and it's one of the matte ones. You can tell because they've got different lids. I've actually got one here as well, which is another matte one, and this one is in the shade Whip Flat Hair. I've got loads of these. I am an Avon rep, so I sell Avon, so I did buy loads of these in, and I'm wanting to do a swatch video actually of these, and I completely forgot that I was even going to do that. But oh my god, this colour is so nice. So thank you guys so much for joining me in today's makeup get ready with me England World Cup thing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much. If you want to see more of these live videos, if you're watching this later on, please do comment down below as well. You want to see me do more live get ready with me's streamed like this? Do you want to see more of these videos then edited later on so you can watch them just, you know, a 10-minute quick kind of thing? Please let me know down below. And yes, have a wonderful day to Michelle and everybody else who's watching. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video.